In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Drive not syncing on Windows 10. If you've ever noticed that your files are not updating or uploading properly, don't worry. This is a common issue, and there are a few simple checks that can usually get everything working again. Let's go through each one step by step. First, start by checking your internet connection. This is often the most overlooked cause of syncing problems. Open your web browser and try loading a website. If the page does not load, your device is likely offline or experiencing connection issues. In that case, Google Drive will not be able to sync until your internet is restored. Once you've confirmed that your connection is stable, the next step is to check your Google Drive storage space. If your storage is full, syncing will automatically stop. To verify this, go to drive.google.com and look at the storage indicator in the lower left section of the screen. If you see that your storage is maxed out, you will need to either remove unnecessary files or free up space so syncing can continue properly. If your internet and storage are both fine, the next step is to restart the Google Drive desktop application. Sometimes the app may encounter temporary glitches that interrupt syncing. To do this, locate the Google Drive icon in the system tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click on it and select the option to exit or quit. Wait a few moments, then reopen the application to refresh its processes. If the issue still continues, restarting your computer can help resolve deeper system-level conflicts. Make sure to save any open work before doing this. A full restart often clears background processes that may be interfering with Google Drive's performance. Next, check whether your Google Drive application is up to date. Outdated versions can sometimes cause syncing errors. Open the app settings and look for an update option. If available, install the latest version or reinstall the application from the official source to ensure you are using the most stable release. After completing all these steps, your Google Drive should begin syncing normally again. These actions help eliminate the most common causes, from connection issues to outdated software. If you have followed everything and the problem still persists, it may be necessary to contact official support for further assistance tailored to your situation. And that's it. These steps should help you fix Google Drive not syncing on Windows 10 and restore smooth file synchronization. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.